There is no easy way to the top. Good morning, everybody. I am Shweta Ostwal. When you choose to drive, you have to accept traffic jams. When you choose to be health conscious, you have to forget being tongue conscious. With income will come income tax. So basically, anything you choose in your life will come along with its own inherent positives and negatives. What folly if it is to search a rose bush without thorns? When you choose one side of the coin, you have also chosen the other side of the coin. So don't ask for a trouble free blessed life. Not even the Mahatmas could embrace a trouble free blessed life. There is no such life. Bigger the ambition, greater will be the issues. When you choose to walk, the issues are few. But when you choose to run a marathon, obviously there are more issues to deal with. When you choose to merely exist, you face lesser issues. But when you choose to live worthy of your potential, you have to solve larger issues. By lifting one end of the stick, you have already picked up the other end of the stick. There is no easy way to the top. And those who made it to the top didn't make it easy. After all, there has to be a difference between a history reader and a history maker. In a Bible study group, they read Malachi. He will sit as a refiner and a purifier of silver. What did it mean about the nature and character of God? That week, one of the women had an appointment to a silversmith to watch him at work. As she watched the silversmith, he held a piece of silver over the fire and let it heat up. The silversmith explained that one had to hold the silver in the middle of the fire where the flames are hottest, and for all the impurities to get burnt away. The women asked the silversmith if it was true, then he had to sit there in front of the fire the whole time. The silversmith affirmed that he not only had to sit there holding the silver, but also had to keep his eyes on the silver whole time. Because if the silver was left a little more time in the fire, it would be destroyed. It would be finished. So the women then asked, "How do you know when the silver is fully purified and refined?" The silversmith smiled and answered, "Oh, that's very easy. When I see my image in that silver hole." So, my dear friends, if whenever you feel the heat of life, just remember that God has his eyes on you and will keep watching until he sees his image in you. In every man sleeps a prophet. God becomes man so that man can again become God. Life is not furnace that's burning you, but once that's transforming you in the glittering silver. At the conclusion, I would like to say that you know what? Living on your own money is hard. Living on your family's money is also hard. Single is hard. Relationship is hard. Fit is hard. Obesity is hard. Job is hard. Doing your own business is hard. Communication is hard. Not being able to communicate is also hard. Independent is hard. Being dependent is also hard. But the best thing is you can choose your heart. And please choose your heart very wisely. Thank you.
Production.